Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today we got a 2000 Dodge Caravan slash Chrysler Town and Country. We're doing the condenser fan on. We're having to change the compressor, it caused it to lock up. But we're going to show you how to change the condenser fan. We already pulled the core support off, which is 13 millimeters. Before you can yank that off, you have to unbolt the radiator, which is 10 millimeters. And then if you want to take the hood latch assembly off, that's 10 millimeters too, but we already did all that because it's simple. You have your plug right here, which someone's already changed before because it's all broken. It was taped in there. We're gonna see if we can pop this thing out without pulling these lines. We're gonna see if we can cock it sideways. So it's just 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and then two 10 millimeters where your dryer is, and we'll go from there. Oh, we have two clips here too. Forgot about them, almost. They just pop up with the screwdriver. So whoever put this on last time, they put the radiator clips over top of the condenser fan, which is causing problems for me. Now I gotta find that one. So they put these guys over the condenser fan and the radiator. So obviously a do-it-yourself did it. Wheel. I lost the other clip like that. So now we need to transfer this wiring harness to the new fan. you have your lower radiator hose holder that just pops in and twists. Make it sound so easy. Gotta do some grinding, cutting. Got our clips, we'll put back in here. I could not find the other one, so I couldn't find one around here that was the same thread pitch, so we're gonna just take the one down there that's doubled and just eliminate one. It's not like it's holding in the engine. This guy's lined up. No! So those got spread too far open. And the threads ain't catching. guys over here real quick. Guess I was just a little too rough with this one over here. So I'm putting it in, I'm just going like that. So we just got to squeeze it. So it can line up, put it in. Give this another shot. It's always the little things. It's always the little things. I think I got it this time. Alright. Put the clips in up here. Alright, now I gotta take and plug this in and tape it to fit in there. I'm just gonna run electrical tape around the whole thing, almost like the plug don't exist. Then we just gotta put our core support back on, bolt in our radiator through 10 millimeters, reset our hood latch, and we're cooling again, and hopefully this will keep that compressor from locking up. Check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, and leave some comments. Maybe we'll get some vehicles that you want us to work on that we don't think you want us to work on, get some videos up. But and as always, keep on wrenching.